back to Sutherland homepage into partnership. Oh no, into work placement, sorry.
Yep.
In testimonials, if you click on that, I don't know if you get it. Yeah, the high school partners. Can we delete that
Subcategory?
Yeah, we
So
don't
just
need
on
it.
just want testimonials and
Just
then,
testimonials, yeah,
Okay.
we don't need the high
and you
school.
can't do that through the admin thing. No, it's fine.
Yeah, I don't know if I can, but yeah, if I could get that deleted or I
Yep.
can delete it, that's fine. Just show me where to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I've got some changes to the Contact Us page, which
Yep.
were done for me.
Yep.
And so do I just email the changes through to you?
Yeah. I think that was a page that is not managed through the CMS. So yeah, hopefully they're not changing too often.
Yeah, no worries. I'll send those changes
Yep.
through to you. And Deanna asked if it was possible, are we able to get photos of staff next to their names?
Yeah, sure. Of
Okay,
course.
so I'll email through the changes and
Yep.
organise
Send some
the photos.
photos.
Yep.
That'll be nice. That's always a personal touch. So.
Yep. Okay, the partnership brokering tab. If we could please have, oh well, actually you're going to give me access to that, aren't you?
To the link, these
because I want to edit links.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Same
give me
thing.
access, so I
Yep.
can do that one.
links, forms, feedback, or feedback here. Are we changing that as well? Taking that out, or is that different? Does that stay in? If it does, then I'm going to clean it up
Can
because it
we-
looks a bit wobbly here.
Can we change feedback on this one, on
Yep.
partnership brokering, to a category called current partnerships?
Yep.
And then we're going to start loading in all our information about what we've got going on, all our current ones.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
That's no problem. Yep.
and we actually don't need forms.
Okay.
So I maybe make forms,
No
current
forms.
partnerships.
Yep.
And yeah, delete feedback.
Mhm.
We don't need feedback. They've got our email addresses there. They can contact us.
Yep. You know that is sort of a bit of an invitation for spammers if you have them on here like that, even though it's user friendly, because they basically scrape all these websites, and when they find email addresses, then they can use them.
So would it be better to not have them linked?
Well, it depends on your level of paranoia. Some people
Alright, I'll ask Deanna.
basically don't have them at all, or that you sometimes see them written as Belinda and then round bracket dot round bracket, so that these robots basically can't identify them as email addresses and things like that. But if you don't have any problems right now, then
yeah, I'll ask Deanna what she wants to do with that, if she wants to leave it or change it.
Yep.
Oh yeah, also oh yeah, we don't need the articles tab
okay,
on Sutherland Ben. We need it for shy parents, but
Yep.
we don't need it for Sutherland Ben.
okay. No articles tag for Sutherland Ben.
Yes. Okay, so on the home page of Sutherland Ben, down the bottom banner with those.
Yep.
That's actually from the Shy Parents website, so we don't want them on the Sutherland Ben one.
None of them.
Yeah, so can we clear them?
Yep.
And we didn't know if we could put in like a little link for privacy policy and all
Yes.
that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
So I can get the info for privacy policy, and
Yep.
do I send it to you?
Yeah, just send it to me.
Okay.
So we won't have any icons at all down here? We'll
Not
just
at the
have a-
moment. Yeah, no, we don't have anything we want to put on there, but
Yep.
at a later date, if we send you logos,
Yeah.
can we?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, I think that was it for Sutherland Ben. So it was just more the access for me to
Yep.
to edit it, but everything's looking good. You created that lovely icon for us, the
Did we?
green one.
Oh,
Yes.
this one?
Yes.
It's actually pretty, sort of. Yeah. Yeah, but I did, yes.
Yes. And we're not in any rush. The only thing is Sharon said, if possible, aesthetically, could you make it a lighter colour green to go with the red and the yellow?
Yeah.
You know how it's dull it down a bit?
Maybe I should Maybe I can spend a bit of time making it a bit smoother because that curve is a bit. Yeah. So basically, both greens should be a bit lighter.
Yeah, she just kind of like, see how it's brighter.
Yep.
She's just being fussy. She said if it's possible, can you? If not, don't worry about it. So yeah, but other than that, everything looks good. The other thing that I did notice in the back end was when I was updating events in the back end of it, if I put in an event and I went back and modified it, it would save it twice.
Okay, so you go in and let's create an event. So event from yesterday to the whole week. Remove the data. So I'll save that.
Yeah. So what I did was, because I entered all the data and then I went back and added photos to them.
Yeah.
And it saved. Like I ended
every time you get a new event.
Every time I modified that event, it would save another version of it, and then I got confused as to which one was the one I was actually doing.
I think this is what I just created. Oh, so you're not concerned with the way it looks here? It's more in the back end, is it?
Oh yeah, in the back end. So
modify existing event.
Yeah. So I don't know how it works.
Test. Oh, there's another test. Why is that even in here?
There's one up there.
Oh yeah, that's one. Thanks. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
so if you're saying if I now change this, then you get a second version, is it? Or is that the problem?
Well, I was adding photos to them,
and
it would save. So when I would go back and look at the event, there'd be two identical ones, and I didn't know which one it was. Does that make sense?
Okay. So, and then when you try to look at it again.
Yeah, so I'd save it and then I'd go back in and there'd be a second one.
Oh, have I saved it or not? Maybe I haven't saved. So there's a second one with the same name.
Yeah, so it would just double up.
So every time you do save, let's try to have save. Did you see it double in here?
Yeah, it was
in the drop-down list.
It wouldn't, and it would double on the calendar as well.
Okay.
But yeah, and it would double in the drop-down. But that was mainly for shy, because I added everything to the calendar and ticked shy parents, shy students, and Sutherland Ben. So I ticked.
Did you save it and then add the photo?
Yeah. So I was putting in all the data and saving the events, and then like the next day I came back and I was adding photos to it, and that's when they started doubling up.
Okay, I'll see if I can reproduce that.
I mean, it might have just been
no, it sounds. I know that it was a bit tricky to get this done. Maybe there is some situation where it's not really doing what it should. Maybe I just need to reload this. No, I can't get to it, but I'll see if I can. So did you clean it already up?
I did. I went back and cleaned out all the double ups.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay, so that's it for Sutherland Ben at the moment. Shy parents. When I clicked on the link that you gave me for Shy parents, for the new one, I was able to see it for ages, and now I'm not able to see it. Whenever I click on that link, it takes me to the old Shy parents website. So I don't know what's happened to my link.
Are you using the one with a 2 at the end?
Yes.